Beep beep, we going, beep beep.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy this journey, the view, please hit that thumbs like. If you haven't followed yet, please follow and subscribe.
Monkey the bear.
Oh wow. And then you pull it out like this. Stretch them out like the legs. So how this works is once you pull it up, spreads out more. Once you pull them out, it spreads out more. I think they're going to have to go up a little higher this way. So you're leaning down. Oh, you see how that pulls out? Pull it back. See yeah, but you're still not level. Okay. You know what I'm saying? I know what you mean by pulling it out. So I'm pushing this nut. Yeah, go to the other side. No, that. There's only some pulling out. Okay, let's see where you're at. Yeah, just hold that side and I'll pull it back out. Alright. Alright. Okay. This one. Oh, that's, oh yeah. You have to pull it hard. Like, pull it back. Wait a minute. Go on this side and, okay, hold. There you go. Alright, that's correct. Okay, I got one more. What the hell? Get up. Are you holding that side? I need you to hold that side. Okay. Yeah. You gotta talk to me now. Okay, you ready? Yeah. There you go. Stand. Okay. Alright, that's it now? Yeah, you need to spread them out. Good job. So where you want it? Okay, how about over here? Look. This one's not pulled out yet. Okay, let me see. Alright, pull that out. Oh, so you're gonna have to... Well, only the one that has that little thing that was in the middle? Yeah. That's only that one pulled out. This one is just short. Okay. Yeah, only this. The one that's in the corner, four corners. So if you want to move it, you want to move more that way? Well, see, because you're... Look. Yeah. You're going downhill. So I need to move that way. Get it up this way. Okay? Yeah. That's what I will do. Okay. I would say. Okay. What do you think?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna get some oyster out here.
Yeah. Give me a second. Okay, let's check. I'll check it right now. Like around 100. Yeah, in a box.
If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm over out on the flats. I'm doing a little fishing right now. Waiting on Joe to rescue his gear when he weighed us down.
Sure. You have done and stuff that?
Oh, I just looked right there.
I don't know if he's ready for the day. He's got like shit. get the little fish finder.
Yeah, right there. Right there. I was ready. I'm gonna let you get up there.
Should be clearing here in the next 20 minutes or so. But you're backed up all the way back to Ray Road. This crash has been in the works for about an hour or so now. Also, we have a disabled truck. 30th Avenue underpass. It is off to the left, but traffic slowing there. You have a 2-hour slowdown coming into town from the eastbound I-10. Also, we have some surface street crashes to let you know about. Over go to the Loop 202, the Sandfield. New crash just now coming in on the westbound Loop 202, the Red Mountain, approaching 24th Street. Those right lanes are blocked there. John Rowan, KTAR News.
catchy. Don't worry. I got that big fat. Hard for me to take this.
Is that that guy over there, Donnie?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Waving? Yeah, he's waving. So.
Alright.
Alright guys, we're gonna launch the pontoon boat and rescue Joe Gear. Beep beep. Watch out, kayakers.
Quite a ride home.
Alright, so we got 2 coolers. Hopefully ready. Icicle. I got it charging right now at 283. Temperature 36.
What is that? Oh, fucking A. You're a man after my heart.
No, thank you. I don't like Corona so much. The Pacificos are good. And I'm just sharing for you.
Yeah, when I get a chance, it's changed a lot over the years with Mazalon, man. Still cheap.
We're still at boys.
Jesus.
Well, play the next step be better.
Thank you, bro.
Oh yeah. Breakfast champion.
It's breakfast. This and that glue, that's about all I have.
Well, I got
People don't like it. You know, it's sometimes the gaskets leak a little bit.
Yeah.
It gets gas, but if it's a winter trip and you're not sleeping on your boat, you're going to sleep on a tent.
Yeah.
Because it's warmer. You get to wait for all that shit, and that helps you with the rapids. Because when you're hitting those big waves, you want to punch through them.
Mm-hmm.
And everybody says, "Oh, I don't want to haul the shit. I don't want to haul the shit." They call them groovers. They used to leave grooves in your ass. Keep that on can.
right.
But yeah, the groover boat, I love to take it. If I do a winter trip or cold trip,
Yeah, he's going now. It's legal, but so
yeah.
who
Not
cares?
for me though. Not for
No, not really.
Yeah.
I drive all over the fucking place. I always have.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I see America. I see the Swanee River, the Mississippi. You know, all those, the Erie Canal. You know, the shit that I grew up studying about.
Oh, yeah.
And shit.
I was raised near the Erie.
And it was like, man, this is great. I mean, I love it. You know, sometimes stop and just check it out. See photos. And if I get on a plane, I'm a big boy.
Yeah.
I'm like that.
Yeah, you gotta.
And then these other people are trying to get my thing.
Yeah.
And
Fighting
then,
over the arm
And
wrap.
then if I fly to St. Louis, somebody's looking over there, drooling on my shoulder. You know, you're like, come on, get off of me, motherfucker.
I was just reading an interview with Ramblin' Jack Elliott. You know Ramblin' Jack Elliott? So he used to run around with Bob Dylan and Woody Guthrie. He's kind of the bridge between Woody Guthrie and Bob Dylan. He's like 90. He still drives everywhere. Drives all his gigs, plays music. But he drives and he says, you know, he hates airplanes because you lose perspective.
Yeah.
It's like a time warp, you know? You're up there, you're down.
Right.
Like
and then you look out the window, you don't see nothing but either desert or forest or, you know, nothing.
my girlfriend lives in Flagstaff, and I fly up there every other week, probably.
Yeah.
I've been working 410, so on my 3 days off, I'll shoot up there. And that's pretty, because you get to see Sedona.
Yeah.
And you do that, and you're like, oh,
yeah.
that's gorgeous to look at. You see this lake, you get to see the lakes, you know. And that's cool, but man, there's some... Flying over Texas, nothing. You don't see anything for hundreds of
days. Driving over Texas, you don't see nothing. Around is a lot.
I've gone around. I've gone around.
You know what? That's why when I bought this thing here, it's got that 5.0 Coyote engine. And like a lot of times, man, everybody be chicken shitting past like 4 truckers, you know, on a stretch. And I'm going like, my God, you could 60, 50 miles down the road in Texas. They ain't shit here. The road, and nobody wants to pass them. Shit, let's get on that. Whoa. That's it.
Better
Over. You know what I mean? It's that. That's why I got it, because of if there's traffic and I want to get out, I have. The older I get, the least patience I have. That's why for driving.
Yeah.
Because I was in the day, I was brought up here in Phoenix, Arizona, born and raised in Phoenix.
You've seen changes.
And I've seen changes, and we always used to drive fast because there was nothing. No street lights and shit, and stop signs, and just fucking go. And now, every street, 7th Avenue, 10th, it's like, oh my God, man, fuck me. And then you gotta go. That COVID shit did kind of help with traffic there for a while.
Nice. Well, and then that remote work shit, I noticed even when it started to come back, people were still closed. Yeah, just tell me about traffic, man. Going to the airport every day.
I hear you.
Well, in this cave that I found.
And then it was a 20 gauge single shotgun.
Whoa.
Right by the thing. And I slid open the window in the kitchen, and there's this skunk, and I just didn't even think, I just shot it. Man, that thing ran a little bit and then turned, and then there was a shed, and it just sprayed just green shit all over it. It stunk.
Oh yeah.
And then I went, oh no. It probably woke everybody up anyway because it was 3 in the morning or whatever. And I dragged the skunk and I measured the wind wrong, and the whole next day they were complaining. I had to go grab it again and move it further down the hedgerow. Oh God, that smell, man. When you're immersed in it, it's just.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It happens. Yeah, one came over here and then I was like, I what the fuck is that? That was raccoon. Then I grabbed this, it had the light, and I turned on and what the fuck? Fuck this gut, because I shone the light to the point where he took off that way.
Okay.
And then
he ran back. I smelled one right out the window, and I'm like,
yeah. I heard one. Yeah, no shit. Hey, my buddy, man.
All right.
The baby's coming.
Was I blocking it for you, Morgan?
And some lime, a little bit of lime. Oh my God. All right. Yeah, I'll show you.
You work ready?
We haven't used them, but definitely.
The weather one last night, because that's on my thing, like yours, like yeah, like just like that thing.
Yeah.
It like, but all I was getting was blank. Look out! Oh wow.
Yeah, this one has.
It was like an octopus, but like cuttlefish, you know.
Oh, cuttlefish. Yeah.
It wasn't an octopus, but it was the same.
Right.
It was really fascinating. If you get a chance,
I'm telling
check
you.
that out.
I'm
My
an otter.
octopus feature. I almost cried at the end.
a little bit to the right.
Oh,
You go
that's good when they're like that good. You know what I mean? When they jar ya.
Oh, yeah, sucker. No, really.
I hate sometimes watching shit like that. I'm like, everybody knows I'm a fucking emotional. Why are you gonna make me cry? You dick ass. But it was good. Thank you. It was good to see, but why?
I heard about it. I did a Grand Canyon river trip in May, and there was this guy, they lived on Maui, he was a dive instructor. And I was like, what was the most amazing experience? We were sitting around.
You know what? Tebow, Travis Tebow, everything's the worst going on. And I'm gonna get the lowdown. He already gave me the lowdown, but I have another guy. My other guy.
Like this, you know, and I said, what was the most amazing experience you've ever had? And he told me, he was like, I got to play hide and seek in a shipwreck with an octopus.
Nice.
This thing totally was like intelligent, playing hide and seek, playing a game. This is the
Yeah, I got more of them.
Alright, well, you better chill out for a little bit.
Yeah,
you better start eating
I know,
some.
you should eat some too, babe.
Okay, but let me throw some more meat in there.
No, you don't have to do that. That's what they sees, and then throw some in there. They'll cook right up. You know that.
You talking about the chicken?
I'm curious about some of the sauces, but I like this one so much.
Well, don't worry about it. Go ahead and dab it up. I have more. They have another container to
I
fill
love
up.
that shit too, man.
It's so good.
It's fresh. It tastes fresh.
It's simple to make.
Usually ours but the time to boil.
It's quicker for me to boil them than char them. Char them takes so much longer. Like that roasted taste that you know, like there's some roasted ones. Yeah, this one's not roasted. I boiled and blended. So it's just serranos, 1 onion, jalapenos, and I do fresh garlic cloves in there.
Oh, yeah.
And then I just boil that for a little bit.
All that stuff's so good for you. It's so good for your blood.
Oh, yeah.
And I just boil that, and then take it out and put all that shit in the blender. And then the water that I boil with it, I put it in the blender, you know what I mean?
Okay, mix it all back.
And then mix it all back in there.
So you're like reconstituting all
Yeah,
the flavor.
so that water. Because you know, if you don't use all that water, it'll start to gel up.
All
you know,
the vitamins are in there, man.
So all you just do is put a little bit more water in it.
Oh, okay.
Especially overnight. You always got to shake the jar because if, you know, fresh salsa gets, you know, a little gelled up from the tomato. You know what I mean? Got to shake it or put more water into it sometimes.
Neat that you reconstitute the water. I wonder if that guy I worked with makes the hot sauce. I think his is always like really like gelatinous, like to get out.
Yeah, that's because he needs a little bit more water in there. Other than that, and sometimes you have enough water, but like I said, overnight it has time to settle and do this little thing, and you need a little bit more water in it.
Awesome.
Nice. I don't know. Maybe. Right? Get some good blenders going on to a big mass level. Salsa's like, I can sit there and eat chips and salsa all damn day.
He already knows that I ain't fucking with it. I don't want it.
guy at work.
Ooh, that one looks good.
I know.
That one.
I know.
Give us a thoughtful look.
Yeah.
He'll trade you.
You like the dry one.
The trade.
You like the dry ones anyways.
Yeah. And they look a little bit too alive. You don't like them.
Yeah.
But it is the big
I'm a little
jelly.
I don't know why.
The jelly.
Get it? So we got shitloads, man.
Yeah, don't be
We
shy.
gotta finish it
I almost
off.
want to take over the cook so you can.
Now fuck the cook, man. You gotta fucking do this shit anyway.
I got more.
Are you gonna eat, babe? Are you hungry?
I'm already. Another round of oysters or what?
Yes.
Yes. Morgan said yes, for sure.
Yep, I said yes. Joe said yes.
Got it.
Oh.
Just like my old man, it's just like that. If the sun's up, man, he's moving. He can't sit. Hates it. Just.
I used to be like that.
He's a yin to my yang
Yeah,
because sometimes I have to motivate myself, but he'll go.
There's still old guys that just go keep on going. But I tell you what,
Oh,
go ahead.
It's so wonderful. Now this is.
You go put more on it.
You just like really.
uh-oh.
Hilarious.
I got Owen.
Hey, when a woman gives you something, don't refuse it. You will be acceptable.
Richie Valens.
I seen him perform live.
No way.
Fucking A.
My dad lived fucking history, I swear. He lived all the fucking shit. All those oldies.
Hey,
I've seen them.
just settle on your hood, son. keep on going. Don't let me just fucking settle on it.
That era, man.
And I do a lot of my traveling because my father always told me, we're going to go to Mount Rushmore, we're going to go to Niagara Falls, we're going to go over here, we're going to go over there. But all he did was work and just be with money. You know what I mean?
Can't take it with you.
But you know what? That money was worthless to me because I used it. And then when I go Niagara Falls, hey, Dad,
I'm here.
look at us, man. We're here. Mount Rushmore. That's still my destiny. Maybe that's why. Don't lay down because I still gotta go places that the old man wanted to go.
Yes.
That's a good motivator, though. In your life,
And
right?
I'm gonna do it.
Is that right?
My next trip is gonna be Alaska. You want to see the Aurora Borealis. You know what I
Getting
mean?
further south now, you can almost see that in Washington State now, all over. When do you plan on doing that?
Yeah.
Really?
When are you gonna?
You know what? T-Bone, Charlie T-Bone, him and Dolores are going to Alaska again. And now I'm going to get the lowdown. He already gave me the lowdown, but I have another guy, my window guy, that will tell me, because
You just smell it, huh? Ooh.
but anyway, I got a window guy that told me,
It's not for season. No.
I'll tell you when to go. The off season, and you get the benefit of it all.
Yeah, I was only in Alaska in July.
Yeah. But yeah, and my buddy's gonna go again.
Right.
If only we had the food ready.
Boom. I'm not right.
What's that?
Give me a second. I'm looking over.
Boom.
Oh.
because we probably need
That's
to.
good. Thank you.
Okay.
Salt.
No, I'm good.
Oh, damn right.
I did
I
too.
hit my head, yeah.
It's like it's right in a good spot. So like,
Right?
with the brim of my hat, I don't see it.
Yeah, it hits everybody's head.
You getting your plate?
I might get my plate right now.
Finally.
That's why Joey and David like coming camping.
Because fucking Ace be hooking them up.
Yeah. Fucking chop the wood, fucking we're all.
Yeah, I know.
We're all over.
I wonder if he gets tired. Like, I don't get it.
That's hot. What was that?
Why, getting that?
Morgan, you want any more food?
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm actually.
Wow.
I got more food to put it on.
Well, I'm good.
You save for that shit for tomorrow or something.
Going
What's
home.
tomorrow? Oh, yeah.
We're going home tomorrow.
Wow.
It's been nice.
You're going to have to stay one more day. Come
You don't have to tell me twice.
Got a party planned or what?
No, not at all. It's just my dad likes to technically leave before Friday because the traffic.
The weekend crazy stuff.
I agree with that.
Come in.
But I mean, he has enough stuff. And
Thank you.
It's the first time I ever seen him talk.
wow, you're sitting, babe.
Where do you see that? This is pork, red pork stew from like a Chinese. Yeah, I think a Chinese spice place.
Yeah.
Good. That's soft.
Got another one that's season. The seasoned chicken.
Really?
Yeah, he tried it and Morgan tried it.
No, it's good. I love it.
It's like a I buy them all in Asian market.
Oh, yeah. Have you ever tried the sous vide?
Which is one is that one?
Sous vide is like it looks like a curling iron or something, but it sits in water. And basically, you vacuum seal meat or vegetables, and you put it in there, and it cooks at a constant temperature, and it pasteurizes it in the bag. But what it does is, like, if you season something like this, like chicken, and then you put it in there, and you cook it for, like, 4 hours at, like, 165 degrees, it keeps it at 165 degrees. It cooks it perfect, right to that temperature, no more, no less.
Okay.
And then all the flavor just gets sucked right into all of it.
I know that you do like cook. We know how to jar them. And we cook them in the jar. Like the skills.
Yeah, pressure cook, yeah.
That's pretty good too. That's out there in we had to cook all this stuff. When it comes down to the winter, like
What was the stuff that like some sort of fermented fish that they would jar in Vietnam?
You did not get a
Way down in Columbus, Georgia, Lord, I'm wishing I was back in Tennessee. Way down that old Columbus stockade. Oh Lord, they have turned their backs on me. Oh, leave me if you wish to. Never help me lose my mind. I'm going back to Colorado. Gonna leave you behind. Many a night when I lay sleeping, Lord, I'm dreaming that I'm lying in your arms. When I wake, I'm mistaken. No, I'm still right here behind these bars. Go and leave me if you wish to. Never let me set your mind in your heart. You love another. Leave me, little darling, I don't mind. Last night, as I lay sleeping, Lord, I'm dreaming that I'm lying in your arms. When I woke, I was mistaken. No, I was still right here behind these bars. Go and leave me if you wish to. Never let me change your mind in your heart. You love another. Leave me, little darling, I don't mind. Lord, I got the walking blues. Swear I see her in my dreams sometimes, held up in the middle of the night, shaking like a pistol in a young man's hand, staring in the stale moonlight. Standing up atop of that lonely hill, spared by the company might. It's my blue-eyed baby with a red dress on in the shadow of a lonely pine. Back before the war when the company came, these hills grew wild and free. Me and baby'd sit in the gardens low, away from this old blue heat. Then they dropped down the timber and dropped down the brush to get to the riches below. When they dropped off, they left a cold black mound and one pine standing alone. Take me home.
I can't hear you.
Do you want the Plaxton?
Yeah, take one. Yeah, going.
Lone Pine Hill. Well, I signed up back in '61. I'm an Army of Virginia man. I've been from Manassas to McConaughey, all the way to Sailor's Creek, fighting for my homeland. After 4 years gone and all hope lost in Richmond under sea, digging out 5 folks waiting for the rain and Sheridan to bring us to our knees. Take me home, Lone Pine Hill. Tonight if it keeps on raining, the creek's gonna rise. With the good Lord's grace, make it out of this place, and I'll be in your arms come the morning light, I swear. God grant me speed and grant me forgiveness and carry me all through the night. Take me through your hills and over your rivers, away from this awful sight. 'Cause I ain't never known a man that's ever known another, never owned nothing of my own. So after 10 long years, I just can't tell you what the hell I've been fighting for. Take me home. Oh. Pine Hill.
Pretty good.
All these women tell me what to do. You
No shit.
And I thought of that, and I went, "Oh fuck!" And so I think of this
and
song.
you want me to get married? You know,
I think it's great for that. It's like, man, this is like this song is a Neil Diamond song, and it's a big fucking like you can't hold me down kind of song. It's fucking awesome. Melinda was mine till the time that I found holding Jim, loving him. And Sue came along, loved me strong, that's what I thought. Me and Sue, that died too. Don't know that I will, but until I can find me a girl who'll stay and won't play games besides.
I'll be what I am.
I'll be what I am.
A solitary man.
Solitary man. You helped me do it. Solitary man. Solitary man. Oh.
Yep.
I'm headed to here, being where love's a small word. It's a part-time thing, a paper rate. Oh no, it's been done, having one girl who loves you. Right or wrong, we go strong. Don't know that I will, but until I can find
Yep. Oh, I got these.